Guys, in this video I'm gonna talk about a beautiful method. This is called the lion's attitude method. So what do you mean by this lion's attitude method, and how this is going to help you to improve your speaking ability, improve your confidence level, improve your presentation skill, improve your leadership, improve your management skills, anything. You can use this method to improve the any parameters in your life, and this will help you a lot to improve your confidence level, and you can go to another level. You can elevate your lifestyle, you can elevate your career, you can do a lot of things with this method. This is called lion's attitude method. I got this method because I was watching a video. It was about a group of lions and their stories. On that video they were saying that a lion is known as the king of the jungle, right? Why he is known as the king of the jungle? They were saying that this is only because of the attitude. What do you mean by only because of the attitude? Yes, they were showing the examples that they compare the strength. They compare the strength of rhinos and elephants. Then there are some other animals in the jungle. They are much stronger than the lion, right? A rhino can defeat a lion. An elephant can defeat a lion. A giraffe, one single kick can kill a lion. So there are a lot of other animals. They are much stronger than the lion, but lion is still the king of the jungle, right? Okay, you take the speed part. This jaguar, leopard, or tiger, all these animals can run much faster than a lion, right? A lion cannot even think about that kind of speed, right? Like 0 to 100 in 3 seconds, 4 seconds, 5 seconds, right? Lion, no, he won't do that actually. So he is not the fastest animal. And if you take the strength, if you take the height, if you take the size, if you take the speed, if you take most of the part, the lion is not the number one. But there are a lot of other animals, they are number one in those category, but they are not the king of the jungle. Why still this lion is king of the jungle? This is only because of the attitude. What do you mean by attitude? The lion is acting that. Our lion is showing an attitude. He's always keeping his head up and showing an attitude that if hundreds of elephants are coming, even if he cannot beat an elephant and the strength, single elephant, but even a group of elephants, which like hundreds of elephants are coming or hundreds of rhinos are coming, still a single lion can confidently stand in front of that group, and that group cannot defeat this lion. This is called attitude, right? And lion is a kind of smart animal. He's not a hard-working one, because it's like almost every day he's like taking a rest, or he's sleeping almost 20 hours a day. He's sleeping, or he's not doing anything. Only 3 to 4 hours he's active in a day. So that means if you wanted to be a top class in your profession, or if you wanted to learn something, if you wanted to do something, that doesn't mean that you have to work hard 24/7 and to do something. No, if you can execute the things, if you can implement the things in a smarter way, if you can work for like 3 to 4 hours, this will help you a lot to improve your quality, and you can be the top master, or you can be the best in the class. This is called the attitude method, lion's attitude method. So only thing what you have to believe that, for example, in this channel we are talking about mostly about this how to speak English, right? Or spoken English kind of things, right? So in this way I would like to mention that even if you don't know the most of the grammar, same like lion, you are not an expert in the grammar, you don't have a lot of vocabulary, your vocabulary is limited, maybe 50 words or 100 words. There are some other guys who can speak maybe thousands of words. It's okay, leave it, let them speak thousands of words. And there are a lot of people who can speak with a beautiful accent, not like a Malu accent, same like me, but they have the ability to talk like American accent, Australian accent, or British accent, or any accent. If they know how to speak in those accents also, it's okay, leave it. I don't care. I'm just bothered about I can open my mouth, I can talk to anyone, I can convey my message, and I don't care. I'm thinking that I'm the best speaker in the world. I'm the best guy who can speak English in the world, and I'm speaking in a best way. No one can defeat that. If anyone wants to defeat, or if anyone wants to beat me, yeah, come, let's have a discussion. Let's talk in English, right? Okay, come on, let's have a discussion, let's have a debate, let's have a talk. I'm ready for that. If you can keep this kind of attitude in your life, no one can question your confidence level, right? For example, like, okay, you go and talk to someone and they're saying that no, your English is so bad, you are not speaking a fluent English. Obviously you're going to reply like this, so what? Is my message clear to you? Did you understand what I said? Yeah, that's all. I'm not bothered about my accent. I'm not bothered about my pronunciation. I'm not bothered about the fluency. I'm not bothered about the way I speak. I'm just bothered about, did I convey my message to you? You got it? Okay, get me the answer. What is the reply for that? What do you mean by that? Or what is your explanation for that? I'm just bothered about this. If somebody will ask you that, okay, for example, if you're going for an interview, mostly you guys are going to say that, no, I have only just 2 years of experience. No, this sentence you have to change like this. I have 2 years of experience. I'm not a fresh guy. I have 2 years of experience, or I have 6 months experience. But mostly we believe that, okay, whatever we have, this is something smaller, this is something like very low, we are not up to the mark, we have to work hard, we have to improve a lot, so I'm not the best one in the market, or I'm not the best one in this field. This kind of attitude you have to change. If you can think in a different direction, if I'm not the best, if I don't have the best education, if I don't have the best financial setup, if I don't have the best ability to talk in front of others, if I'm not the best manager, but still you have to believe that I am the best. I'm the best in the market, I'm the best in the world, I'm the best in my territory. At least you have to believe I'm the best in my area, in my class, in my school, in my village, right? If you start changing, if you start thinking like this, or if you change your thinking pattern, or if you change your attitude, this will help you a lot to talk with your limited options, with your limited vocabulary, with your bad accent, with your all limitations. Still, this will give you a confidence levels to speak, right? Because I know that one, still my vocabulary is not that much. I have a limited vocabulary. And when you compare the grammar part, I'm very weak in grammar. I'm not really bothered about the grammar part because I never learned grammar in my life. And if you compare the accent, yes, I know that one. My accent is a pure Malu accent. But still, if you ask me to talk to Barack Obama, if you ask me to talk to Donald Trump, yes, obviously I will go there and talk to them in English. And I have the confidence level that yes, I can convey my message to them. Anyone in this world who can understand English. This is my confidence level. That means that gives me a kind of feeling that yes, I can talk to anyone in this world. If you can keep this kind of attitude in your mind, this will give you the same confidence level that okay, you can talk to anyone. You can beat anyone in English. You are the best in the speaking. You are the best in public speaking, right? I don't know whether if you get something from this video. Let me know your feedback. If you like the points or if you like the video, click the like button. This will give a lot of confidence to me that okay, at least some set of people, they like this video, right? And leave your comments, let me know your feedback, and try to change your attitude. This will help you a lot. See you next time. This is Shiju Thomas signing off.